If you've been on the lookout for a portable speaker or a karaoke machine, then you're going to want to keep on watching while I unbox today this portable speaker with 2 wireless mics. But first and foremost, I'd like to say thank you to the company for reaching out and sending this out to me so I could give you my full and honest review. So let's go ahead and unbox it and check it out. All right, as you can see, it is packaged very well. So let's take a look and see what is inside of the box. So here I have the 2 wireless microphones. They actually look really nice. Take a look at that. Go ahead and show you that. They're not really heavy. They're actually pretty lightweight. All right, inside of here, there's a little plastic baggie. We got our user manual. It's going to go ahead and walk you through the speaker. All right, so it gives you a little bit more information on the speaker itself. Here you do get an auxiliary cord and you also get the charging cable. And then you also get this strap if you want to go ahead and carry it with you. Again, it is portable, so you are able to hook these on to the speaker itself, so you could go ahead and transport it more easily, or if you want to go ahead and carry it over your shoulder. All right, so let's take a look at the speaker. All right, so just like I mentioned, the clips are right here, the little hooks to go ahead and hook on the strap. So if you choose to, you could go ahead and clamp these on to the sides. And just like that, you could go ahead and hang it over your shoulder, and now you could carry your speaker anywhere that you go. Right, so let's go ahead and take a look at this speaker. I'll go ahead and give you a closer look on that. This is the front part. Then here you have your knob, so you do have control of your mic volume, instrument, your USB, TF card, USB plug. You are able to control the echo, and then the power. I'm going to go ahead and flip it over just to show you the top part. So on the top part, you do get a few options. All right, so let's go ahead and turn it on and test it out. All right.
Bluetooth mode.
All right, we got power. You go ahead and turn on one of the mics. Ooh. So for the mics, you will need batteries to go ahead and make sure that the mics turn on. I was wondering why the mic wasn't turning on. I do need batteries. So you will need 2, looks like AA batteries. So the speaker does have a total of 7 different light modes. They actually sync in to your music. So let me go ahead and show you that. This is actually pretty simple to set up. All you have to do is take it out of the box, connect it to your Bluetooth, and you're ready to go. So there's no assembly, there's nothing extra that you need to do. Just simply set it up with your Bluetooth. It does have different knobs up here. So you could go ahead and adjust the volume. You could go ahead and adjust the echo, the bass, the microphone volume. And then again, you could plug in your personal instruments. If you have a USB that you want to go ahead and plug into it, you go ahead and do so. I'm going to go ahead and turn on the mic now. You do need to add 2 AA batteries to each microphone. They are not included. So I just wanted to go ahead and let you know that you will need 2 AA batteries per microphone. Now, once you put in the batteries, all you have to do is turn on the mic and you are ready to go.
Testing. As you can see, that's pretty loud.
I actually have the mic turned up all the way. And again, you could always fix the echo. You can see the echo is going away. So you could go ahead and adjust the mic. You could adjust the mic volume. You could adjust the mic echo. So you could actually use this as a speaker if you'd like. You could go ahead and use this as a speaker at your next party to karaoke. Again, this is also a speaker, so you could connect your Bluetooth, you could connect your own music to it, you could connect your karaoke, you could connect this as you're watching a TV and you could do karaoke to it. Just use it as a regular mic. And I love that you could control both the mic volume and the music volume. So you could go ahead and switch this up and down. This is the music and then the mic. Now, since there is an aux cable that is included, the great thing is that you could also plug in a guitar to this, plug in your own instruments to the speaker. As you can see, I'm talking directly to the mic and there is no lag on the mic. So I do like that. Because sometimes when you talk into a mic, you could hear the small lag. You speak and the audio does not translate into the speaker quickly. So as you can see, I'm currently talking into the mic and it's directly projecting my voice. So that's also a plus. These mics are so easy to use. The speaker is so easy to use. So you can use it with your family, loved ones, take it to a party. Super, super cool, portable, and I like that it is also not heavy. I'm going to go ahead and play something now, and then we're going to go ahead and put the two mics to work. So let's go ahead and use this speaker. Here's a quick glimpse of the speaker in action. As you can see, it has a little slot where you could go ahead and put your phone or an iPad and it'll hold it steady right there. As you can see, we're currently playing some karaoke music in the background, but I just kind of wanted to show you how the iPad stays in place. All right, I'm gonna give you a preview. You can take this to your next party. Take a look how cool the lights look. Definitely an awesome speaker. So if you've been on the lookout for a new speaker, one with not just one, but two microphones, be the life of the party. It has lights, you can control the volume, you could put your USB, you could plug it in, you could plug in your instruments. So I would definitely recommend check this one out. I'll leave the link down below. Make sure to like and follow for more video reviews.
Yes.